There are several different types of computer networks. Computer networks can be characterized by their size as well as their purpose. The size of network can be expressed by the geographic area they occupy and the number of computers that are part of the network. Network can cover anything from a handful of devices within a single room to millions of devices spread across the globe. Some types are Personal Area Network, PAN, Wide Area Network, WAN, Metropolitan Area Network, MAN, Local Area Network, LAN. Local Area Network. Local Area Network is a group of computers connected to each other in a small area such as office. LAN is used for connecting two or more personal computers through a communication medium as twisted pair or coaxial cable. It is less costly, as it uses inexpensive hardware products. The data transfer rate is higher. A wide area network is a large network of information that is not tied to a single location. The WAN is networking where the whole city, country and continent are covered under its range for the purpose of data, internet, and resource sharing. The best example of WAN can be the internet, which can be accessed through the globe. Many users can connect and communicate with each other to share data and information in one network. PAN, that is known as Personal Area Network, is a computer network that is used for data transmission between personal devices such as laptop, PC, mobile phones, etc. PAN can be wired with computer buses like USB and cables. A wireless PAN can be made using network technologies like Bluetooth. A personal area network handles the interconnection of IT devices at surrounding of a single user. Best example of PAN is a home office. In home office we set up a smaller network for work purpose which is separate from network used by other home appliances. MAN, that is Metropolitan Area Network, is large area network that covers a city of a big campus. MAN network are used in a large area network than on a single building. Many LANs come together to build a metropolitan area network. The range of MAN network can be between 5 kilometers to 50 kilometers.